All right, guys, it's Grow Folds again with some more plant mail. Today, I will be unboxing another rare Aglaonema. As you guys can tell, I have been increasing my plant collection substantially the last week and a half. I really do think I have this plant addiction going back as I did back in 2021, 2020. But today, I was able to get an Aglaonema that I thought was a really good price for what it is. It's called the Aglaonema Pride of Sumatra. I got it from a Etsy seller called PlantGeeks. It's a nursery based out in California. So here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and just slowly unbox this right here to get to me in such a fast, timely manner. But that's what happens when you find a good seller. So there's some paperwork here, which I'm not gonna go show on film. We'll go ahead and put that aside, and we'll go ahead and do this unboxing. So as you can see, this one doesn't have the same kind of packaging as some of the other sellers with like the foam or the little cotton. So I just need to be a little bit careful in how I unpack this. It is taped to the box. So let me just make sure that I slowly take this out of the box. It's taped down pretty hard. Okay, we got it untaped. Okay, so now that it's out of the box, it's gonna slowly, I can see the plant already. You can kind of see what it looks like here, but I definitely don't want to rush it. The common mistake, and I've said this in a previous video, is people get excited with plant mail that they just rush to rip up the packaging, not realizing that they could potentially rip a piece of leaf, a total stem, etc. I know that in the past I've done that before, so I have just taken a little bit more time when it comes to it. So here is the initial look of the plant. It's a little bit smaller than I expected, but that is okay. I've noticed that it's definitely dry, but bone dry, so it's good that we got this plant here sooner than later. And it looks like it might have just been potted up in this plant. So I don't think this plant has actually been growing, but here it is. So super excited that it did come to me in one piece. It looks like the leaves might have gotten stressed. There's a little yellowing. I don't know 100% if that's just part of the plant, but you can see the awesome pink veinations of the Pride of Sumatra. So I'm excited to see how I can grow this. I've been really into Aglaonemas. I think I might have gotten at least 3 or 4 more in the last couple of days. So my collection is increasing just as much as I have for Syngonium. So that here is the little unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and do another close-up of it, but really excited for the price I paid for this plant rather than having to import it. I'm very excited to see what I can do in terms of growing it. You can see that it is fairly healthy considering I am taking plant mail in the winter time. So excited about that. Guys, let me know what you think about this Aglaonema, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do another close-up of the plant. All right, so just to highlight a couple of things about the plant, you can see there is slightly yellowing here. It might have gotten some kind of transport shock, but look at how pretty those pink stripes are, pink and red stripes on this Pride of Sumatra Aglaonema. It's one of those Aglaonemas that they hybridize with other Aglaonemas to get those types of striping, but I really love the look of this, and you can see that there are growth points right here, if it would just focus. So we'll see how this goes. It looks like it wasn't watered at all before it shipped. So I definitely am gonna water it. Like I always do with all of my plants, I spray it with some insecticidal soap, put some systematic pest granules to make sure that it doesn't get any pest, and then I end up putting this neem oil solution just so it can acclimate and then that it's pest free. So I'm also going to go ahead and water this with some Super Thrive. So here is another addition of my Aglaonema collection. So guys, let me know what you think about this Aglaonema, what other Aglaonema you would suggest that I add to my collection. I know that I am importing about 8 Aglaonema from Indonesia, so we'll see how that goes. I'm still just waiting for my import license. So yeah, lots of things going on for Grow Foliage channel. So if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe, and add the notification bell for more video updates. So this is Richie at Grow Foliage. I'll see you guys soon.